Hey, out there in the Wookiverse. Well, the Wookie coming back at you, and we did the Wandering Brewkit. Kind of did it a little bit quick and didn't really show how it all fit back in there. Some of you might not even believe that it would all fit in there. So we're going to do a packing up, and I think we'll do a little bit of bonus stuff as this is emergency preparedness month. So a little bit of addition to it. We can improve on the Wandering Brewkit and make it a full-blown 2-3 night survival kit. So let's see what we got going on here. So as you can see, this is all the stuff that I said before will fit into the little helikon-tex essential kit bag. Okay, so being emergency stuff, we've got a magnifying glass for candling. You notice there's multiple tins in here, so I can do all kinds of char cloth at any one time if I really need to, because I can just do these tins that way. So like we've seen, all my fire equipment over here, processing equipment here, light, brew kit, signaling, tape. Since the last time I did this, I added the magnifying tin and this little sewing kit, which covers the C for the canvas needle. That's in here now, plus any repairs I need to do. And there's a little bit of dental floss in here, which is wax. It's tough cordage, and it works really good for field repairs. I've used that for decades now as a field repair item. So we'll start off with the cotton bandana. That's one of your C's right there. This one's a spare. This one, I usually take it and I'll put my cup inside my stove. Now here's a little tip too. This makes it real easy to pull bottles out of bags. If you just take the bandana, set it up like this, and I just do it so I can remove the canteen easier, but I pull all this up and around, and when I set it down inside of the bag, I can pull it all out as one unit, and it doesn't get hung up on everything. All the time your lips are always getting caught up either on something seam inside or a seam on the rim, and if you do it this way, it'll pull right out. You just kind of slide it right in there, and you just grab it, and it just pulls right out. It'll do it later too. So here's the lid, that goes in. Throw the canteen setup right in there, just like that. Eating utensils, that's no big deal. Goes in their own little pouch. Just like this, and as you can see, this is all going to be real time. We're not going to split away from this. So that just goes down inside. Like that. Now over here, the fire pocket. There's a big ferro rod. If you can't get a fire started with that, well, I don't know. Maybe you should stay home. Lighter. Pocket bellows. There's trioxane tab. Those are great for when it's really tough. A couple different fire tinder starters. So that goes in there. That goes in here. The fish mouth spreaders. I always find the need for a hanger somewhere. As you see, that all just zips right in. So that's all zipped up, that's all put away, that's fire taken care of. Then back up here on the top, I put my cleanup kit. Along with my sewing kit. That goes like that. That'll come back over. Side pocket, easy enough. There's the brew kit. Now here's extra battery for my flashlight, plus I have a little compass in here that I can actually set a bearing with, even though it is a little watch band compass, because it has a rotating bezel on it. So I can actually set a bearing with it, try and keep a general direction even better than just a button compass. So that goes in. That goes in. There's my headlamp. So you know that's another one of the C's that falls under candling. That all zips in just like that. And on the back, there's the cuttings, all the cutting tools. So the saw slides in. The knife slides in. I got this paracord bracelet right here. That'll count if I really need it as extra cordage. There's about, what, 50 feet of cordage right there. It's a 7-foot bracelet for the most part. So then that ties up like that. Then on the other side is I just take the Smog, set that down in here. Got that. That's like that. And normally I would have these dangling from the front. There's my whistle, my tape. You know, you gotta have your tape in there for your C's. So, cargo tape. That, like that. And I know that doesn't cover all the 10 C's. Like, Wookie, what's the matter with this? This is supposed to be preparedness. You don't have all of them. Well, you have this little pouch to the front. This will take care of most of my other C's that I'm missing out of there. There's, I think, about 8 C's in there right now out of your full-blown 10 C's. So, yeah. Here's cover right here. So, there's a little survival blanket here and an emergency poncho. That'll work for any cover you really need. There's the cordage. So there's the other C. And then, you know, there's a backup knife in there. Compass, light, fire, blade itself. Cordage if I need it. There's enough cordage right there to make a bow fire, make a bow drill. And then, because we all have them, cell phones and electronics, you should have at least some kind of recharging unit for your cell phone. Don't always go out there thinking that you've got enough charge, because you don't always have it, and the appropriate cords for it. That's just how it is now in this millennium. You know, everybody's got electronics, they take them with them, so you got to be able to recharge. So with this edition, this becomes a full-blown 10C survival kit. We'll pack that up, and we'll show that it really doesn't add too much bulk to the kit itself. Packs away. Just like that.
Do you know what bag that is?
This one?
Pouch.
Nah, this is just a cheap Molly pouch. I think it might be a Condor. Not sure. It's just a little cheap Molly dump pouch for, you know, different accessories. Nothing really super exciting. Just
It's made well. I was just wondering.
yeah, it's not a bad little pouch. Yeah, so it's got your basic MOLLE setup on the back. So you just attach it on real quick. Got the morale patch area, it's like a lot of them do. Just like that, there's a full-blown 3-day survival kit, easily, if you know what you're doing. It's pretty much all you need. Also have water purification tablets in there, that's part of my brew kit. The canteen, so you saw all that stuff, you know, it's pretty much all you need. Yeah, and it's coming in now probably, I don't know, 6-7 pounds, maybe 8 pounds, if that. There's nothing to it.
Very cool.
So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I know a lot of you were commenting on the kit. Seems to be pretty popular now. That's how it goes together. And this is the Emergency Survival Edition for Emergency Preparedness Month. So we'll talk with you again. All right.